Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showcasing some stuff that I picked up from Dollarama. So please watch and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So these are the few items I picked up from Dollarama. This is a storage bin that you can store markers, paint brushes, paint or whatever you would like to store in it, and it costs $4. Now this is a 24-piece acrylic paint tubes, and this only costs $4 as well. I picked up some scissors, it costs $4. Then I picked up a glue gun and some glue sticks. The glue gun is for $4 and the glue stick is for $2. Cause you know, girl, I have to do her artwork, and these are some of the stuff that I need. This is a canvas. It's pretty cheap as well, $4.50. I picked up some wire cutters as well. It's a pack of 2 and it is for $4. So these are some marker brush pens. Yes, the tip is like a brush, but it's a marker. That's for $3. I got some tape. You know, the girl need tape to do her work. Yes, so I get some painter's tape. So now I'm gonna pack all the things that I bought from Dollarama into my storage bin.